Okay, so setting up your personal profile within the software is really crucial for managing how you appear to prospects and customers externally in communications, all the way to managing calendars and managing incoming and outgoing emails in and out of the platform. So to go ahead and start setting up your personal profile, once you've logged into your account and you're on the dashboard, go ahead and click on Settings down here in the bottom left corner. Next is to go ahead and click on My Profile here on the left-hand sidebar, and this will open up your personal profile settings in the software. Okay, so to start with here on personal data, you actually have the option to upload a headshot for your profile so that it's easily identifiable across the software with team members to see who is who. So go ahead and click on this and upload a headshot or an image of yourself. Next then is to just put in your name, surname, email, phone, and extension if applicable. And then you can go ahead and select your preferred platform language. Now at default, this will be the language of the country that you have signed up in. However, if you wish to change this to any language that you prefer, you also have the option to do so right here. You also have the option to select a calendar. However, if this is a first-time account, it's likely this will be grayed out, so we'll come back to this. Next then is email signatures. So in here, you can actually create a custom email signature that will go out across all outgoing emails from the software. You have the option to enable or disable this from this button right here. So if you click on this, then your email signature will be enabled, and whatever you include in this box down here will send out at the bottom of all your emails. If you don't want to include something like this and you'd rather customize it for every single email you send out, you can also just disable this by clicking it and making sure that it's grayed out. Finally, once all of this is set up, go ahead and click on Update Profile, and this will save all of these settings into your profile. Going back up here now to the top, we have Change Password. So if for any reason you wish to change the password of your personal accounts, you can do so very easily right here. Just go ahead and enter your current password of the account, and then go ahead and put the new password, and then confirm the new password. And once this is included in the boxes, go ahead and click on Update Password, and this will update the password of your personal account. And next we have email two-way sync, which is a very important feature in your personal account within the software. So email two-way sync is essentially the ability to sync and connect incoming and outgoing emails between the CRM and your email account. So you can connect Gmail or Outlook accounts right here within the software. To connect either a Gmail or Outlook account, go ahead and click on which account that you have. In this case, let's say we have Gmail. And then go ahead and click on the connect button down in the bottom right corner. This will then go ahead and prompt a new window to open up where you can select your Google account, follow the instructions, accept the integration, and within just a few clicks, your email will now be synced with your account in the software. For the purposes of this tutorial, I won't be connecting an account. However, once you have followed the steps and integrated your email account successfully, you'll notice here in this box will be replaced with a confirmation saying that your email address is now connected and you can now receive and send emails from the software. Next then we have calendars. So this is where you can go ahead and connect any third-party calendars to sync bookings and sync your availability between all your calendars to ensure that nothing is overlapping and no meetings are overlapping when you're using the software. So to start with this, go ahead and click on Add New, and a pop-up box will appear and you'll be able to connect your Google Calendar, your Outlook calendar, an iCloud calendar, or even a Calendly calendar right now, which is in beta. However, this still works as normal. For some of these features, such as Google Calendar, if you click on Connect, it'll ask you to integrate your Google account through the Integrations tab here in the settings. So to do this, go ahead and click on Sign in with Google up here on the top left of these integrations, and you can connect your Google account in here. For more information on integrations, please go ahead and see the integrations video within the tutorial to get more information about all of these different integrations. However, for all your other accounts, this will open up a third-party window and asking you to connect your account by following their integration processes. So once you've done that, this will now appear within your connected calendars, showing you your calendar here in the list of calendars that have been successfully integrated. Again, for purposes of this tutorial, I won't connect them. However, once they are connected, you will see the list appear here where you'll be able to edit integrations as well as remove or add new ones. Similarly to calendars, you also have the option to integrate video conferencing tools. As of right now, the only video conferencing tools we have available is Zoom. So if you have a Zoom account and that is the preferred platform that you take your video conferencing calls from, you can actually go ahead and click on Connect. it'll open up a new window prompting you to sign into your Zoom account, and then you can follow the steps within there to integrate your Zoom account to the software. And similarly to calendars, once you've connected your Zoom account, it will show here in a list of successfully integrated video conferencing tools and accounts within the software. And then finally, we have user availability. So if you'd like to set custom hours for when you're available, these hours will sync across your notifications as well as across your calendars, so allowing customers to only book times with you when you're actually available. This will also work across notifications, allowing notifications to be blocked outside of the working hours that you set within your user availability. So to start, go ahead and set the time zone of where you are currently in this box right here. So you can select all the time zones that you are currently in. Next is go ahead and select the days of the week that you are available. So I think for most people it'll be Monday to Friday. However, if you wish to work a varied schedule and you wish to not work on Tuesdays, for example, or not take calls on a Wednesday but take calls on a Saturday and Sunday, you can do so just by clicking on the boxes. And then finally, go ahead and set the available times that you're available in each of these boxes for days of the week. So in this case, we're going to do 9 a.m. to about 5 p.m. in these boxes. Now you can either manually do this onto every single box, or a quick tip here is go ahead and click on this copy, and this will copy the times across all of the days of the week automatically for you, saving you a little bit of time. So finally, you can actually go ahead and set a default meeting location within the user availability settings. Now, by leaving this blank, you can now customize it per calendar and per event so that it changes every single time. However, if you'd rather just have, let's say, one Zoom account or one Google Meet account that manages all the meetings and manually or automatically sets those up for you. So if you'd like to set a default meeting location, you can go ahead and click on this box and select either of these options. However, you can just leave it custom, and we can set this up later on down the line when we're setting up our calendars. So once you're happy with all this, go ahead and click on Update Availability, and this will save all of this information within your account. So once you've saved your user availability, go ahead and recheck all of your profile settings and make sure everything is set up correctly. If it is, then congratulations, you've set up your personal profile within your account, and now you're ready to start tackling the rest of the software.